Hi, did you know that developers spend a lot of their time on Google? I will be introducing CODEASK, a platform built for developers by developers. Now, here is Chidi. He is a front-end developer, problem solver, and football lover. Now, he wants to learn really fast in order to keep up with the ever-changing pace of the tech industry. In order to do this, he has to build several projects and find ways of working more efficiently. The issue is that he is constantly running into coding problems, and as a result of that, he ends up spending a lot of time frustrated on Google looking for the answers to his problems. As a result, he's unable to always complete his projects within the time frame assigned to them. This is a problem not only faced by Chidi, but also by millions of developers all over the world, regardless of their levels of experience. We carried out a research and found out that around 21% of developers find it easy to get solutions to their problems, whereas 78% of them find it really challenging, and as a result, end up spending a lot of time moving through different platforms looking for these solutions. Now, this is the problem CodeAsk is trying to solve. CodeAsk is a web application that makes it easy for developers to get answers to their problems on the same platform. How is this done? We are doing this by integrating with third-party platforms, known platforms in the ecosystem, such as Stack Overflow, Quora, and GitHub, in order to get these answers for our developers. In addition to that, providing a much more friendly environment, that have responses for developers regardless of their levels of experience, and also improving communication between developers by providing a forum section, making it easy for them to interact. Now, our project, CODEASK, aligns with several SDG goals. Number one would be quality education, which has to do with our own process of making sure these developers get quality answers and learn on the job. Secondly, we also have the innovation side of things, which has to do with us helping these developers build their projects and we ourselves having Codas as a platform ever changing and helping the industry. And finally, we have partnerships for the goals, which has to do with our partnerships with Stack Overflow, Quora, and integrating with their third-party applications. The market in which we operate is quite large. Already, it's projected that in 2023 we would have around 27 million professional developers globally. In Nigeria alone, as of 2020, we all had around 84,000 professional developers, and this number is set to increase exponentially over the next coming years. Codeask as a platform seeks to combine the best of all worlds, making the platform your one-stop solution platform as a developer. First of all, implementing the user friendliness of W3 schools, implementing the interaction aspect of things, by providing a community for developers through discussions and forum sections, and finally integrating with third-party platforms, making our platform the one-stop platform for all types of solutions to coding problems. So we are going to take you through the walkthrough of our platform.
Here is the Codex platform built by the data pirates team of TIDELab Cohort 4. Here is the landing page, the first thing the user sees when he comes to our website. Then he can go ahead to ask a question. He has to either sign in or sign up. Let's say he clicks on sign in. He has to input his email address and also input his password. Then he goes ahead to log into the platform. Now, here he gets to the questions page where he can easily search if his question has been asked already. Okay, well, this shows that somebody has asked the question that he has in mind. But let us assume that the question he wants to ask has not been asked before. So he has to come here to the ask questions page. And here he can easily ask his question. Let's say his question is on JavaScript frameworks. And he wants to get more information about JavaScript frameworks. Then he can go ahead and add tags if he chooses to, and then post his question. Now the question gets rendered here. Now let us assume that I am another user and I want to answer this question. I click on the question and I'm redirected to the question to the answers page where I can give an answer to this question. So this is the answer to the question. I can go ahead and post this answer. Now this answer gets rendered here on the answers page. Now from here, other users can get to add comments to this answer. Other features that we have on the answers page is that a user can go ahead and upvote this answer to show that this answer worked for him. And let's say the person who asked this question wants to show that this is a verified answer because the answer worked for him. All he has to do is to click on this button and then it shows that the user is verified. Very quickly, he can also go ahead and delete or edit the answer that he gave. Let's head back to other pages such as the discussions page. Here on the discussions page, we have different questions that have been asked by the admins, and also people can also give answers to these questions. So let's say that I want to discuss on the topic data structures in the JavaScript, and I quickly just give my answer. Raise an object and then I post it. I can get to converse with other developers on this platform because they can also drop their replies here and to get rendered on this thread. Very quickly, we can head back to the discussion to the dashboard where we can see the dashboard of this particular user. Now we have his username rendered here, his stack, the questions is asked and the answers, and he can go ahead and edit his details if he chooses to right here. And after editing it, he can go ahead to click on updating and everything he had edited gets updated. From here, the user can, after carrying out all of this, can easily log out of the platform. Thank you very much for watching this short video.
Finally, we've got the product journey. So this basically highlights the process which we took in building the platform. So first of all, we had the functional requirements and software requirement specifications, which we carried out first, and then we carried out researches and collected some data to refine what we already knew. Finally, we have the UI design, which was started by our team, and finally the development and testing that we carried out. These are the awesome members or teammates behind this project, CODEASK. Thank you very much.